could share tasty recipe.
Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how to make plantain cake, or what Ghanaians call it OFAM or Brodo. Okay, so please stay tuned and let's get started. So on this tray I have 3 ripe plantains. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then peel the plantain.
Put down your lighter, then on your stove, we making it brighter. We taking you higher, we killing the vibe, we no go retire. Any food you they want to go get, anything you they want to go get. Yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we give you recipe. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we go give you recipe. Yeah, banku, shita, kenke, ebedi, ediane, plantain. Banku, shita, kenke, ebedi, ediane, plantain. Tasty recipe.
So the next thing I'll be doing is to use a masher to mash the plantain into a fine paste. Okay, you can use your blender or food processor. Okay, so I'm done mashing, and then this is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'll just set it aside and then go ahead and chop some onion, habanero pepper and red chilies. You can use a knife to chop it into smaller pieces if you don't have a chopper, which is fine. Okay,
Akosia's tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Tasty recipe. Recipe. Ediani na bio, yebeti. Ediani na bio, yebeti. Ediani na bio.
okay, so it's finely chopped, so I'll go ahead and add it to my mashed plantain. The next thing I'll be adding is 1 teaspoon ginger paste, and then cloves. This is to your taste. Yes, for the cloves you can add as many as you want. It's just to give it a spice. And then I'll add half a teaspoon salt, and then half cup of all-purpose flour. Once everything go inside, go ahead and then mix either with your spatula or whisk. So once everything is well mixed, I'll go ahead and add 100 ml of palm oil and then stir everything together. Please make sure the palm oil tastes great so that it will improve the flavor of your plantain cake or OFAM. So now everything is well combined, so I'll go ahead and spray my baking dish with a cooking spray. You can also use normal cooking oil to brush your baking pan or baking dish. Okay, and then I'll transfer the mixture into the baking dish, but please make sure to preheat your oven to 280 degrees and then bake this for 30 to 35 minutes.
Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we give you recipe. Akosia recipe, we get the recipe. Akosia recipe, we go give you recipe.
Okay, so after 35 minutes the plantain cake is ready, so I'll just use a cake tester to test if it's done. Yes, so I'll allow it to cool for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes the plantain cake has completely cooled, and then this is best served with roasted peanuts. So I had some already, so I'll slice and show you how the inside looks. This tasted amazing, and then the smell was great. You can have this for lunch, breakfast, or any time that you want to enjoy this plantain cake or OFAM. It was so delicious. I really loved everything about this recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. So thank you very much for watching this recipe. If you do like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. To my new subscribers, you are welcome to my channel. God bless you all. Bye.
We go get, yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah, we killing the vibe, yeah.